How to start your YouTube channel the right way as a stay-at-home mom. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Empowered Mom at Home. My name is Prudence. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 3, and this channel is dedicated to helping my fellow stay-at-home mom and homemakers in the areas of their personal growth, well-being, and also working from home. We are building legacies, empires from the comfort of our home through this ministry of homemaking. Okay, so if you like what you hear, please subscribe, turn the notification bell on so that when I upload, you are the VIP. All right, so today I want to share with you how to start your YouTube channel the right way, because I've made mistakes. Okay, I've got another channel, Purpose Driven Women. Please do check it out if you will. Okay, so I've been on YouTube for 4 years. I'm still a small YouTuber in both channels, but I've learned a lot and I've made mistakes. Okay, I've made mistakes and I'm here to share with you my experience. And if I were to start all over, this is what I'll do, of which I think that's what I am doing now. All right, so the first thing that you want to do, sis, is to know your niche. This one is very important. I know that in these YouTube streets, you're going to come across people telling you that, oh, you are your own niche, do whatever you want. You can't speak to everyone. That's one thing that I learned the hard way with my other channel. I want to talk to Christian women empowerment, Christian women, okay, building us women, Christian women in the Lord, and also walking in our godly purpose. And at the same time, I would post videos about network marketing, and then post about talking to stay-at-home moms, and post about cleaning vlogs. At some point I sat down and it's like, you know what, people who would watch a video about how to pray, they wouldn't watch the video, the cleaning vlog. They wouldn't watch the video about network marketing. As much as I thought I am the niche, I'm going to share my passions with Christian women. It's not everyone who's going to love that, but I've decided to relaunch that channel and say I'm dedicating that channel to helping us Christian women to grow in the Lord, walk in our purpose, and unleash our potential. Hence, I'll be posting about Bible study, personal growth, which accommodates every woman. And then this channel is about stay-at-home mom and homemakers. I am that woman as well. So when I come here, I'm talking about I'm vlogging, cleaning vlog. As a stay-at-home mom, you relate. I'm talking about how to make money from the comfort of our homes as stay-at-home moms. You can learn from us. I can't do that, but I won't be addressing stay-at-home moms. I'll be addressing women, Christian women, who are my target audience. And here I'm talking to stay-at-home moms and homemakers. So the languages that you speak, your audience have to understand. So I understand that the gurus are saying you are your own niche. If I'm going to talk to stay-at-home moms, my niche is in everything that has to do with stay-at-home moms, you know, everything that has to do with homemakers. But I can't come here and start talking about career. Okay, I'm talking about a job, whatever, because I don't have experience in that job. I want to talk something to someone who can relate, who can understand, or who can be empowered and uplifted. Someone that we can speak the same language. So know your niche, which is the first thing. Know your niche. Who do you want to talk to? Who do you want to talk to? That is the first thing. Okay, that is the first thing. Please don't sleep on that one. It's very important. So what is the first thing that you want people to think about when they think about you, when they say Prudence? Okay, she is a Christian woman. That is the foundation. She's a Christian woman empowering homemakers and also Christian women. Okay, so that is the first thing. The next thing says that you want to do after that, after you know your niche, is to know about tools. On YouTube, there are 2 tools that I wish I had known earlier in my journey of YouTube. This is TubeBuddy and vidIQ. These 2 tools are a must have. I knew about them, but I didn't take them serious. These 2 tools are going to help you with optimizing your videos, SEO. So you need to know how to optimize your videos. I love these two tools so much that recently I went pro on both of them. I wanted to invest in my craft. I wanted to invest in my business. I'm not going to settle. My why is too big. So vidIQ, I went pro I'm paying 200 rands, which is, I don't know in dollars, but in South Africa it's 200 rands. TubeBuddy is, I think, 100 rand, 120, somewhere there. So have at least one of the two. They have free version, but free version, it limits you, okay? Because with vidIQ, there is AI that is going to help you craft your video. They're going to generate your title and then give you an outline of an intro of, you know, the tags and also the keywords. It is an amazing tool. I'm enjoying it. And with vidIQ, I get to put, you know, my competitors, which is a point that we are going to talk about later. I get to see all those things. TubeBuddy will tell me that my video is ranking this much on YouTube. You know, my thumbnail has to be like this. It's perfect. Listen, it is amazing. They have a free version. There's also a paid. There are also, you know, packages that you can choose from. So please do consider having one of the two. And also TubeBuddy, you know, keywords, SEO, it's going to help you. Tags, they are going to help you with that to optimize your videos. Okay, so invest in either of those two, and I'm going to put a link, my affiliate link. Please, if you want it, you can click that affiliate link and also get either of those two, okay? Whether it's TubeBuddy, which is cheaper, or vidIQ, okay? You can start with free version if you want to. All right, so don't sleep on those two. They are going to help you with your channel. Okay, the third thing that you want to do after that is to follow other creators who are in your niche. Learn from them. You are not copying and pasting. Learn from them. Bigger. Personally, I follow bigger YouTubers, like people that I know that they've got hundreds of thousands followers. Why? Because I want to follow what they did. I want to learn from them. I'm not competing with them. I want to learn from them, you know. So you want to follow those. Look at what they are doing in their videos, from their intro to how they are capturing their audience. Now I know that character wise we are different. Maybe you are somebody who is, maybe you are ukhulumela ngaphansi, like you have a low tone, or maybe you have a high, but you are going to learn from those, you know, as they upload. You see how they are doing, you learn from them, because they are in your same niche, okay? You are in the same field, so you want to learn from them, not copy and paste. Okay, don't copy and paste. You are not here to copy and paste. You are here to learn, to be inspired. So that is the third thing. The next thing after that is to have an uploading schedule. Okay, you want to be an organized person. Pick a day in a week or 2 days in a week, depending on your schedule or how, you know, you want to do it. I am now uploading randomly this festive. I'll be uploading randomly, and I've already told my audience that I will be uploading randomly because it's the festive. I'm not an entertainer, so Vlogmas, I don't know what's going to happen, but whatever video I'm going to post, I'll be posting anytime. But from January, I'm going to my uploading schedule. On this channel, it's Monday and Friday. On my other channel, it's Sunday and Wednesday. Those are the 2 days that I am uploading. Okay, so you need to be consistent and disciplined. Consistency doesn't mean every day. Consistency means if you're choosing to post once a week, that's okay. Twice a week. Some people are posting every day. They don't have a problem with that. Pick what's comfortable with you and show up. When you show up, you are feeding the algorithm. You are feeding the YouTube algorithm, letting it know that I'm here to stay. And as you upload continuously, it's going to push out your videos, to your audience. It's going to be pushing out your videos. That's one amazing thing about YouTube. It helps you, okay? Even when you look at your analytics, the impressions, YouTube is going to show you, you know, how it pushed your videos. If your videos have 10 views, but YouTube pushed to 800 people, just know that it is you. You need to do something. Look back, go back and look on that video. What did I do wrong? How can I improve? Which is my other point. You need to constantly learn. You need to always learn. Okay, don't be discouraged by low views. Don't be discouraged. That is an opportunity for you to learn. Keep on posting. And this algorithm is amazing. Sometimes you post a video today, 1 week later it's got 50 views, 3 weeks later it's sitting on 1,000 views. So just post your video and keep on learning. What am I doing wrong? Be a student, always be a student. Okay, so that is the other way of, that is the right way of starting your YouTube channel. And these are things that I wish I learned earlier in my YouTube journey, and I wish I held onto them like, no man's business, because I'm starting to really being intentional with implementing them now, and I am loving it, and it's less stressful. Okay, so just a tip bonus again: when you start on YouTube, guys, it can be mentally draining. Okay, because you'll be watching other YouTubers, the YouTube advices on YouTube gurus. Okay, and in this streets, almost everyone is an expert. I'm just saying. So choose wisely who you want to learn from. Once you pick those maybe 2 3, like I said, follow bigger YouTubers. I understand that we want to support each other as more YouTubers, support them, but always follow those that have been here for 15 years and they are putting out 1 hour videos. I would highly recommend Think Media. Okay, subscribe to Think Media as a small YouTuber and learn from them. There are a lot of them. There is what's the other name? I forgotten, the bald guy. Okay, I forgotten his name. Follow him. He uploads every day. Follow them, learn from them. And these are the people that have first-hand information on changes that are coming on YouTube. They get the first-hand information and then they come and teach you. Yesterday I was sitting down watching Sean, okay, from Think Media, and I was like, wait a minute, how come I've not seen that in all my 4 years here? So follow Think Media, follow other people. Is it Canon? There's someone Canon. I'm forgetting his name. He's a bald guy, but there are a lot. Okay, there are a lot of YouTubers here. They are putting 1 hour webinar. They are putting 1 hour videos. They are really doing that. Take time to sit down, maybe 2 3 hours a day. Take your notepad and just write it down. Implement it. If it works, that's okay. If it doesn't, then just leave it. But most of their tips, they really work. Okay, be careful who you follow. It can be overwhelming. It can take a toll on your mental health. Okay, because one person is saying don't share your videos to other, don't share your link on Facebook. The other one is saying share your link on Facebook. So there's a lot of scramble and scramble, from other people, because some people, they're just now putting out content because you know what, they're enjoying the views and the money from their YouTube teaching videos, so they're just posting okay, so you need to be careful. I'm just saying, okay. I'm just saying, and that's the honest truth. Okay, because some of them will tell you don't share your link, but YouTube, after uploading your video, YouTube will say share your video. You know what I'm saying, share your video. So you need to be careful, okay, with who is advising you or who you are taking your advices from. Okay, but overall, launch your channel, implement these 2 cents that I've shared with you based on my experience, how I felt. Okay, it's not a fail, it's just I didn't have this knowledge when I started. Mina, I just started, boom. I didn't even know about monetization. I didn't even know about, copyright music. So it's really been a journey, and I just want to help you as you are starting out to start right. Okay, start right and enjoy the journey. This is an amazing platform to be on, as to become a content creator. Digital marketing is here to stay. Digital marketing ain't going no way. Okay, so optimize your videos, know your niche, optimize your videos, learn from others, follow other people who are in your niche, be a student, invest in your YouTube, and be patient. Okay, be patient. Don't be discouraged by low views. Let them be an encouragement. Let those 10 views encourage you to keep going. Let those are not just views. They are views to you, but they are people. Those are 10 people who watched your videos. Those are 30 people who watched your videos. So celebrate them, because they invested their time and data, okay, to watch you. So celebrate them and thank them. All right. So I'll see you in my next video pretty soon. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.